Alright, we're back. This is day 7, so I'm actually pretty excited. I don't know why. It's literally 2 in the morning right now. But you know what, fuck it. It's gotta be done, so let's get off of this real quick. So we did take a trade. Let me head over to get off of that. Just head over to trade. Fuck me, that's bright. So we took a trade earlier on, around about this level. Again, why am I clicking the wrong fucking thing? It's pissing me off. I don't want to go on that. Alright, over to Pepe. Yeah, this one. So, it looks like there's a potential breakout. I don't think it's going to happen. I think levels... Shit. No, I don't think it's going to break out. I think it's going to push lower, but hence why I have my TP down here. It hasn't touched this level yet. And it hasn't mitigated this level, right? So it'll come up here, obviously, take this level. Liquidity sweep, probably. You know, it could be pushing even up here. It's possible, maybe even here or here. But like realistically, it's just low, high, low, high. Personally, I don't see it coming up much more. Liquidity sweep, possibly. And fucking what? I don't give a shit. I lose money. Oh shit! I don't even know if you can hear me right now. Shit. Hopefully that was working. This fucking shit, man, pisses me off. Cause it look at this. It just fucking drops. Like fuck me. Just stay there. It pisses me off sometimes. All right, now I'm probably too close to the mic. Fuck off. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there. Yeah. So, anyways, what led me to take this shot from here? Okay. This. We can get into details of this. Okay, yeah, we had a break shut down. Everything's bullish. I opened up a long position, I think here-ish. Hit TP around about here. Ish. Stop loss was probably like here. I don't know why it was so tight. But yeah, it was a sloppy trade. I don't know why I did that, but it worked out. And then from here I saw that some of these levels here, like this fair value gap here, technically over here, but obviously that got filled. Anyway, fair value gap got filled. I tried to look down, but it wasn't any good. So now it looks like it's trending down, but overall, like, at first it was as long as it doesn't break this one, but it broke it. So what happened? It filled up. Orders here, push down, try to come back up, failed, push down. Might try to come back up, push down, but if you look here, this is a good area. I'm not saying it's a strong low, might be, but as you've seen, this is a demand zone right here. So opening buy positions is actually quite smart, depending on what you're trying to do. It has went below the 618, so at some points could see it as invalid for a long position, especially with this huge downward move, right? So I don't fucking know, to be honest. I'm too tired. Okay, STX, I was looking for a long to tap into this level, tapped in perfectly. Literally perfectly, bounced back up. I was gonna take it, but then I was like, nah. Could be a good long. I did think that, I mean, there was liquidity to target just above this level. It targeted it, came back down. So what I thought was gonna happen, to be honest, and you can already see the mark in here anyways, was price to come down, which it did. Came back up, right? Went back down, touched liquidity below here as well. Tightened liquidity above this area, which it took. Came back down to this demand zone, mitigated order, came back up, tested the level again. Now we could see a push into this and even this level. I'm not saying it's going to happen. It might not. You know, even with this, I am questioning if I basically just exit this trade now because of just the whereabouts it is. I don't know if it's going to even hit my TP. Like, I'm not too fussed. Regardless, but like, if it doesn't break above this shit, I don't. Why would I worry? You know, it's gonna just target this. It's gonna target this level. Right here. Fuck me. Everything on this buy bit is shit. But it will target this level here. So I don't think there's any need for me to worry about that, to be honest with you. This is on a 15-minute, but on 1 hour, a bit better. So it's about halfway between stop loss and take profit. I don't know what the fuck that is. But yeah, I think we'll see. Shit has been, like, to be honest, trading recently has been very fucking difficult for me. I mean, not just because of like work or whatever, like, I don't really care about work. That's something I have to do anyways, but it's just like, it's just at the point where it's like, you know, when I'm trading, I'm just like, I just get fucking tired. Like, I know what I really want. I know I want this to work, this whole trading thing. It's kind of why I'm doing these journeys and stuff, right? Recording them, because I'm trying to just, you know, see where I sort of progress, and hopefully we see something from there. But like, honestly, on a real, it's really fucking difficult recently. Like, obviously when I have technically started my trading journey way before I started these YouTube sort of series of videos, but yeah, it's just one of those things where you look at it and you're like, you know, this is really difficult, you know. But yeah, is what it is. I mean, Pepe looks like it's pushing up right now. This level is the next. Presumably there's a demand which might get mitigated and pushed down. Let me show you real quick. This fucking buy bit disaster. This level here might get mitigated, pushed down. We'll see. But yeah, while I'm just gonna ramble on again and just be like, you know, what do I do now that I've basically? It's not like I know everything in the market. Obviously not. But it's like, I don't know. I'm at a point where it's like, I know most things. Smart money concept related. There's the liquidations. It's gonna pump a little higher and then it will push back down. My guess. But yeah, I've learned quite a bit, like, smart money concept related. For the most part, I mean, there's a bit of supply and demand. I got a bit confused at first, like, what is the difference between supply or demand / supply and order blocks? Because, like, an order block could be something like this, right? Where in a way, it's like a kind of change, right? Like, last down move before the up move, right? But they only really occur at the bottom, right? And then demand zones can be created everywhere. They could be created here, right? It taps in, pushes up, right? What happens? Demand zone, mitigated, pushes up. So it's like, obviously, I didn't expect it to come in. Like, I expected it here, right? I expected it to come down to the bottom portion. Maybe I was being a bit too optimistic with that. I don't really care. Like I said, if I lose this trade, I don't care, because I'm not losing anything really. It's like a bit of fucking 10, 20 quid. Wow, it's not a lot. Not for me. Like I said, I'm still learning this shit. I think every single day that I do trade and you know, in the market, I just watch it. I do feel a difference, you know, with my trades. Just win rate's a little bit better, obviously, but overall, it's like I know what I'm doing for the most part. I know that this level right now could just be an entire, you know, almost like a liquidity sweep, right, where it's targeted levels here, right above this level. So technically it could be above here, target, bang. Obviously I'm not saying that's going to happen. It could generally reverse as well, right? You've got this, right, and then you've got this, and then you've got this, another move down. You know, fib retracement, push this up. You know, 618's also in that supply zone as well. So in my head I'm thinking, this level here could be a good entry to short from, because it's coming up to these levels, right? There's I don't know if there is hold on. Let me look into this bitch. Nah, I mean there's a tiny fair value gap, but I wouldn't even say that is a void. Doesn't look like it. But yeah, trading, man, it is fucking rough. People like get very emotional when it comes to it. Like they'll put too much money into a trade and they'll see the price go to the wrong direction, but then they'll be happy that it goes the right way. Like, but the thing is, you've got to understand that when you do a trade, like even right now, like I could just click close and confirm, take my profit, but I don't give a shit. Meaning, I have to stick to my plan, my rules. I have to be confident in my decision with which way I'm anticipating the price to go. No, yeah, sure, I expect it to go down, went down, right? It didn't hit this take profit. Perhaps I could have targeted the top of the supply zone, right? That's something I've learned, you know, right now, right? So, you know, you could always learn some shit in the market, but yeah, I just wanted to kind of touch up on that, but yeah, man, I'm just gonna keep getting at this, keep grinding. I'm not gonna fucking stop. I'm gonna keep fucking, you know, putting in the hours. You know, because it's gotta be fucking done. You know. Otherwise, what the fuck am I doing this for? You know, what am I spending my time for? If I'm just gonna fucking piss around, you know. Gotta be serious on this. So, you know, it just comes down to hard work. And you have to be emotionally strong, I guess, with training more specifically, because you know, emotions will fuck you over. And yeah, anyway, it's gonna probably be the end of the video. We'll see how this trade plays out tomorrow. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Hope you enjoyed my rambling. Probably didn't, but you know what? Who gives a shit? I'm just doing it because why the fuck not? You know, I'm just trying to prove to myself that I can do something. And not quit something and you know, see it through. So this might take, you know, 6 months, a year, you know, but here I am. I'm gonna fucking keep doing it until I get what I fucking came here for. And yeah, we'll fucking get at it tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.